up, more?
Hello everyone, welcome back today. Me and
your loving boyfriend.
and Davey, yes, my loving boyfriend. We are here in London. We've just arrived at Kensington Olympia and we are here at an event called Pure London. I've never heard of it before except this one.
I hadn't either.
Decided to set up the event a couple of days ago for work, doing all the sound and lights and doing all the rig and stuff like that. So yeah, and he told me that it's a big old-fashioned event and I thought I would come and check it out. Oh no, that's not good. Get it out, get it out. Ew. So yeah, just coming to see what it's all about, see what the catwalks are, see all the stands, and yeah, have a little mooch around, isn't that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go.
Getting a little guide. It's really pretty. What do you think, Egg?
Getting them boyfriend points in.
Yeah, you are. Look how nice these furs are. They're faux. But yeah, so pretty. I've got some really, really nice jackets and some embroidered ones over there as well. Oh, and jacket heaven. So we've just been to see the catwalk and it was absolutely amazing. I'm just trying to figure out like what this place is all about, but I think basically what it is there's lots of different kind of, I don't know, designers and stuff like that, and they've got their own collections, and then as a buyer you would come in and be like, oh, I want X amount of this, that and the other for your brand. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of getting the feel of it. But there's so many different interesting kind of like suppliers and brands that I've never ever heard of before. So it's all really, really fascinating. And there's just some amazing things. The catwalk was incredible. The models looked amazing. Did you enjoy it, Egg?
Yes, deeply.
And I was actually really impressed with your rig and your lights. He was the one that set up the catwalk, ladies and gentlemen. So there you go, you heard it here first.
I got to march down that catwalk before the models got to.
Well, I'm a little bit envious. I sit in an office all day and you get to set up catwalks. I'm in the wrong profession, I'm telling you. We've just thought up our team name. If we were to create our own brand, what would it be?
Savannah.
I like it.
David and Anna.
Very original.
What was my slogan?
Oh, I don't know.
Exotic with a touch of class.
like a pizza.
Oops, don't open me the wrong way.
I had Polo de Astra. It's just like the nicest chicken one. If you haven't tried it, do it. It's just amazing. And this one had, what do you have?
American hot.
So yeah, we've just been to see the second catwalk, which was awesome. That was basically just like showing like up and coming like brands and what they've got coming up for the next season, and just basically showcasing what autumn and winter 2019 and 2020 is going to be. So it was really interesting and that was really fun. That was probably my favourite one out of the two that we've seen. And now we're just about to go upstairs and stuff, all accessories and patterns and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna look at some fabrics.
Oh, let's go for a sneaky chicken.
Show us your wings.
Makes me nervous walking up these stairs, seeing when they can stuck to it.
Oh really? Look at all the pretty shoes. We've just been outdone. We got told that these were going to be larges and they turned out to be mediums. I'm furious.
I'm not. I just want to enjoy looking at shoes, because that's what I want.
He's getting angry now. Look at all these beautiful shoes. Oh, they are divine. Have you seen a pair you like?
Huh?
Have you seen a pair you like?
Those ones.
Delightful. So that rig is what Davey's just set up, and all of this, and he did the other one as well, which is really cool. Looks like there's a bit of a Q&A going on down there. Not sure who that would be.
It's an interview with Mara Yama. Yama.
Not sure who that is.
TV presenter.
Awesome. Oh, look at all the snuggly stuff. I have to say, I'm super excited for autumn and winter now. Oh, those little ones over there have got like cute little bunnies on them. Cute. You excited for autumn yet?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so miserable today, isn't he? He's so sarcastic, ladies and gentlemen, isn't he? That's what I've got to put up with. Sockies, look how cute. You need a new snuggly pair of socks.
I've got to wait for a long set of socks.
Eggy. There we go. Boys and girls. DJ Davey in the house. Woo. I've seen so many things I want. This has not done anything to curb my shopping addiction. So we're literally just about to look at some of the upcoming brands that have got new stuff coming out and that aren't particularly well known. So yeah, just having a little look around in Pure Origin. It's a little bit quieter here.
There are also companies that
make clothes. Oh, interesting. Fabric samples and all of that. So fascinating. Egg! Being your own catwalk. Oh. Goodbye!
Gotcha.
Well, there we go. We have just come and left Pure London. It was actually brilliant. I'm so glad you brought me here, you. But yeah, it was awesome. It was really good and insightful just to see a little bit more in the world of fashion and how it all works and how brands like collaborate and get the suppliers and all of that kind of stuff. Yeah, it was really cool. Ooh. Every time I go to talk, another announcement gets made. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this and that it gave you a little bit of an insight as well. And yeah, I will catch you all next time. See you later, everyone. Bye! You got anything to say to everyone?
No. Just the magical hand.
Farewell!